In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT on laptop 2026 full guide. Let's start with what's changed because this affects how you access the tool on your laptop. OpenAI has updated its model lineup, and some older options are now retired. If you've seen references to GPT-4, GPT-4o, or GPT 4.1 inside the ChatGPT interface, those models have been removed. The free tier now provides limited access to newer models such as GPT 5.2, so you're not missing out by avoiding old workarounds. In fact, many guides that claim to unlock GPT-4 are simply outdated at this point, and following them won't help you get better results. The good news is that there's no trick required to start. Open your browser, head to the official ChatGPT website, and sign in or create a free account. That's it. Once you're logged in, you can begin chatting immediately on the current free plan. There are no hidden switches, browser extensions, or third-party logins needed. Using the official site ensures your conversations are secure and that you're actually talking to the latest model available to free users. Now, let's talk about usage limits so you can plan your sessions. The free tier is robust, but it operates within a rolling time window. That means you have a certain number of messages to use, and as time passes, those credits replenish automatically. If you hit your limit, you'll be prompted to wait for the window to reset before continuing. The interface typically lets you know when you can resume. Depending on current capacity, you may also see access to GPTs and some advanced tools. Just keep in mind, those features can be subject to separate caps and availability. Which plan should you choose? If you're writing, brainstorming, or handling everyday tasks, the free tier is a great place to start. If you need more messages, more consistent access during busy hours, or higher usage limits for sustained workflows, upgrading to ChatGPT Plus is a practical next step. Think about how often you rely on the tool and whether interruptions from the rolling window would slow you down. A few best practices will make your experience smoother. Always use the official sign-in process rather than third-party bypasses to protect your account and ensure model accuracy. Keep an eye on your message count so important chats aren't interrupted. Drafting longer prompts in a Notes app first can help you consolidate messages. And when availability shifts, remember that capacity and features can vary over time. And that is all for today. Navigating the latest AI updates